With fresh coronavirus records set in France, certain cities or regions could be staring at another possible lockdown. The French Prime Minister warning local lockdowns could be imposed as the country faces a surge in case numbers that's putting increased pressure on hospitals. More than 40,000 new infections were reported over the weekend, a record. And authorities say hospitals have been caught in the virus's rising tide. Says the Paris region's top health official, we're in a race against time. He says COVID-19 patients now occupy more than 42% of ICU beds in the capital and its suburbs. The Prime Minister offering a scolding to people who failed to heed health warnings. It's been a similar story in England as well. Hospitals in northern regions are at risk of being overwhelmed by ICU patients, some experiencing a 7-fold increase.
So, Mr. Speaker, we don't want to go back to another national lockdown.
Prime Minister Boris Johnson announcing a new 3-tier system of coronavirus restrictions, with the worst-hit areas under the strictest tier.
The very high alert level will apply where transmission rates are rising most rapidly, and where the NHS could soon be under unbearable pressure without further restrictions.
In these places, households will be banned from mixing together and,
I'm sorry to say, closing pubs and bars.
Sadly, as the number of those infected increases, then so will the number of people who die. If we do not take measures to control the spread of the virus, the death toll will be too great to bear.
For City News, I'm Caryn Ceolin.